Alright, what if I told you you could run your entire YouTube channel from titles to scripts for free with just Google Sheets and a little free tool called GPT Workspace? Now listen, content is hard, don't get me wrong. But what if every video idea you had could turn instantly into a title, description, hashtags, thumbnail text, and a script automatically? Well, let me show you this exact system I built inside Google Sheets and you can replicate it doing the same. Alright guys, have you ever just had an amazing idea come to you in the shower or in the car while you're driving and you just need to write it down? But let me guess, like after that, it never comes back, right? Well now, every time you have an idea, I want you to open up Google Sheets, write it in column A, okay? So for example, I had an idea, I was listening to a Huberman podcast while I was driving and I made content around productivity, sleep and the mindset and that whole genre, right? So I wrote a topic idea to make a video about Huberman's protocol for perfect sleep. So 2 hours before, cut out blue light, 1 hour before, activate a nighttime routine, 30 minutes before you go to sleep, read, and when you sleep, use mount tape and blacked out curtains. So I rambled this idea and put it into column A, and you'll see why this is super useful and important in a bit, all right? Now, the reason why I want you to do this is because the tool GPT Workspace is gonna fill out the rest, from the title to the description to the hashtags to the thumbnail text to the script outline. And I'm gonna show you exactly how this whole thing works, all right? So let's just say we are gonna work on the first topic, and we wanna create a title. So this is what we're gonna do. First things first, I want you to download GPT Workspace, okay, from Google, and then add it as an extension, and then go into extensions in Sheets, GPT for slides, docs, and sheets, and press start. And then this thing's gonna pop up here. You can just close it for now. And now to create a title for this idea, all we're gonna do is go into B2, cell B2, all right? And you're gonna put the prompt equals GPT, write 3 viral YouTube titles that use emotion, curiosity, or value for the topic idea. And you're gonna press enter, all right? And now it's created 3 YouTube titles based on the topic idea that we had written. So some of the topic titles go, unlock the secret to perfect sleep, Huberman's proven 3-hour nighttime routine. Banger title, okay? Awesome stuff. Why you're not sleeping well, Huberman's game-changing protocol revealed. Like another great one. We wanna apply it to the other topic ideas. All we need to do is just drag them down, and it's simple as that. And now it's created another title for frequency over volume for gym hypertrophy gains. That was the idea we had. The title generated was unlock your dream physique, why frequency beats volume for muscle growth. The shocking truth about hypertrophy is less really more. Like, how good are these titles, man? I can't get over them. Okay, now we want to create the description for the title. So this is what goes under our YouTube videos. And now we're going to paste in this prompt into C2, which is equals GPT, write a 60-word YouTube description for video title, include relevant keywords and a call to action. And now it has created for us description for the Huberman one, which is discover the secrets to perfect sleep with Huberman's proven 3-hour nighttime routine. In this simple video, we unveil simple changes that can transform your sleep quality. Now we want to do the same for hashtags, and the prompt for this is going to be equals GPT, so just 5 hashtags for YouTube video, and you're going to go comma B2 colon C2. So now it's gonna take the data from these 2 cells to base its information off. And now it's gonna start generating hashtags, and you can put into the description so YouTube knows. So it gives YouTube basically more information about what your video is about to suggest it to the right audience. So it's created hashtags like sleep tips, Huberman sleep, nighttime routine, blah, blah, blah. And now for column E is the thumbnail text. So what text is actually gonna go on our thumbnail? And now the prompt for this is gonna be equals GPT, write short, bold YouTube thumbnail text for a video. Also include some notes of what I should include in the thumbnail. So this is going to be a good idea of, how should we structure a thumbnail? What should the photo look like? And everything like that. Keep it 3 to 5 words max. We don't want a sentence for the text on our thumbnails. We want it to be, 1 or 2 words or something that evokes curiosity. So we're going to press enter, and now GPT Workspace is going to read through all the data we've given it before, and it's going to create a thumbnail text, which is perfect sleep secrets. And the notes for the thumbnail is going to have, he wants us to have bold, eye-catching font, dark background with calming colors, image of a serene bedroom or a person sleeping, include a clock to emphasize timing, add a subtle blue light symbol crossed out. Awesome stuff. Now, this is my favorite, and that's the script outline. So often we have these great ideas, but scripting is such a pain in the ass, and it can be so annoying and so time consuming. So what we can do is have GPT Workspace do the work for us. So now all we have to do is put in this prompt, which is equals GPT, create a YouTube video script outline for the topic, include a hook, intro, 3 to 5 main points, and a call to action. Format it as bullet points for easy reading. Tone should be casual but informative. And then we're gonna put comma A2 colon D2, and then that way it knows what to reference creating this script outline. So we're gonna press enter, all right? And GPT Workspace is gonna start cooking. And boom, just like that, it's created our script outline for us to read off. So the hook goes, are you tired of tossing and turning all night? What if I told you there's a simple 3-hour routine that could unlock the secret to perfect sleep? Gives us an intro on what to talk about Huberman's protocol, blah, blah. And then the main gives us 4 main talking points, which is cut out blue light, activate your routine, reading time, optimize your sleep environment, and some final thoughts and a call to action for us to read and yap about when we're basically making these videos. Okay. So now, really quickly, say you've created all these ideas, right? Now that the prompt is locked and loaded in the above cell, so you just got to do it for the first time. All you need to do to apply it to the rest is just simply drag and drop, all right? Just drag and drop, and it will automatically start creating titles, description, hashtags, thumbnail text, and script outlines for you. So all the work is done, all right? So that's your entire pipeline finished, just using GPT Workspace and Google Sheets. It's super simple to use. So this works whether you're a YouTuber, solopreneur, freelancer, or agency. You can even generate ideas for clients or batch film an entire month of content all using one sheet. If you want to copy this exact spreadsheet, hit the link in the description and download GPT Workspace and try it for free.